In the lush and mysterious depths of Kentucky, where rolling hills meet vast forests, lies the imposing Mammoth Cave. This cave is a labyrinth of hidden passages where many of nature's secrets await discovery. It is here that our story begins. Welcome to the enchanting forests of Kentucky, home to the vast and mysterious Mammoth Cave. Here, the adventure of Jasper the Boar and Marla the Woodchuck begins. Their tale is one of curiosity, bravery, and unexpected friendship. Jasper was a strong and brave boar, known for his courage and determination. He lived in the dense forests near Mammoth Cave, exploring every nook and cranny in search of new adventures. Marla, on the other hand, was a curious and intelligent woodchuck who made her burrow near the cave entrance. Although both animals were solitary by nature, fate would bring them together in an unexpected way. On a particularly hot summer day, Jasper was exploring the area around Mammoth Cave when he heard a whimpering sound coming from a narrow crevice. Curious, he approached and found Marla trapped between two rocks. The small woodchuck had ventured too far from her burrow, and while trying to explore a new path, got stuck. "Hey, are you okay?" asked Jasper, his voice echoing through the crevice. Marla looked up, relieved to see that someone had come to help her. "I'm stuck here, I can't move," she said with a tone of desperation. Jasper, with his formidable strength, began pushing the rocks with his powerful hooves. After a few moments of intense effort, he managed to create enough space for Marla to free herself. The little woodchuck staggered out, but was safe. "Thank you, I don't know what I would have done without you," said Marla, still catching her breath. "Don't worry, I'm happy to help," replied Jasper with a smile. "Now let's get you out of here." The two new friends decided to explore Mammoth Cave together, a place they both wanted to discover but had never dared to explore alone. The cave was a dark and mysterious labyrinth, with stalactites and stalagmites that seemed to dance under the light of their makeshift lanterns. Their first challenge came quickly. A narrow passage required them to squeeze through, with Jasper having to push rocks and debris out of the way, while Marla scouted ahead to find the best path. They worked together, with Marla's small size allowing her to navigate tight spaces and Jasper's strength clearing obstacles. As they ventured deeper, they discovered an underground river. The water was crystal clear, but the current was strong. Marla noticed a series of stepping stones partially submerged in the river. "If we use these stones, we can cross safely," she suggested. Jasper nodded, and with careful coordination they managed to cross without being swept away. Further into the cave, they encountered a colony of bats hanging from the ceiling. Marla, fascinated by the creatures, explained how bats use echolocation to navigate the dark. Jasper listened intently, appreciating Marla's knowledge and curiosity. In one of the deepest chambers of the cave, they discovered a shimmering underground lake, illuminated by glowing minerals on the cave walls. The beauty of the place was breathtaking. They spent hours there, marveling at the view and reflecting on the incredible journey they had shared. Suddenly they heard a rumbling sound. A small earthquake caused a rock slide, blocking their way out. Panic set in briefly, but Marla quickly devised a plan. "We need to find another exit. Follow me," she said, leading Jasper through a series of tunnels. They encountered more challenges along the way, including slippery slopes and hidden pits, but their teamwork and growing bond saw them through each obstacle. As they navigated through the labyrinth, they found an ancient drawing on the cave wall. It depicted a group of animals working together to overcome great odds. Inspired, Jasper and Marla felt a renewed sense of determination. They knew they could find a way out if they stuck together. After what seemed like hours of searching, they finally saw a faint light in the distance. It was another exit. They hurried towards it, emerging into the warm sunlight of the Kentucky forest. Exhausted but triumphant, they realized that their adventure had forged an unbreakable bond between them. Finally, after days of exploration, they decided to return to the surface. They emerged from the cave as inseparable friends, with stories of adventure and overcoming challenges that would last forever. Jasper returned to his forest with a new friend by his side, and Marla, now more confident and brave, knew she would never be alone again. As the sun set over the hills of Kentucky, They said their goodbyes with the promise of new adventures in the future. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Mammoth Cave with Jasper the Boar and Marla the Woodchuck. We hope you enjoyed their tale of adventure, friendship, and overcoming challenges. If you loved this story, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Animal Stories for more enchanting animal tales from around the world. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. See you next time.